Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to restart your laptop. So usually you would do that by simply tapping the start button, then go into power options and selecting restart right here. And after that your laptop will restart immediately. But in some cases you won't be able to do that since your laptop's display is frozen, or maybe you don't have the time to install an update, and in such cases you can restart your device manually. To do that, you have to simply press and hold the power key, which is the one that is lit up right here. Just press and hold it until the light on the button disappears completely. As you can see, it's blinking right now, so we want it to stop blinking and then we can release it. Okay, so I think the blinking has stopped, and right now to turn it on, simply press this button once again, just for a moment, and then wait for your device to boot up again. And that's it. That's how you restart your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.